That's why I don't want to rely on these figures as from 2025. I did not finish them. But if I activate that formula, are you able to see where inflation is? The inflation which is still referring to is under 2020, is under the expected scenario. So what I asked you to do is very simple. Because now inflation rate in expected and optimistic are different. And again, when you'll be moving to pessimistic, it is different. What you need to do is just to change which inflation rate are you referring to. It's as simple as that. Because see, this is 5, but we are under optimistic. You just come and change to the 3%, and you make sure you just lock it like that. Yes, and then when you hit enter, you have your direct cost for the year 2025. And because I've fully locked that inflation rate, after that, I can just simply now drag across and I have my auto population of those figures like that. And even if I click on the one in 2028, you should be able to see that it is referring to the same inflation rate under optimistic. Are we together, Hadija?
Yeah. Okay. I was thinking maybe the figures which you put there are the correct ones, so I thought maybe you had done it.
But now you
I
understood the
think I'm
concept,
good.
right?
I'm good actually.
Very good, very good. So if that is the case, I think we are good, and that is the most important thing. Now, with that, I believe we should call that question 2021, question 21 done and dusted. And I still say, and I repeat, the most important thing in some of these things is the concept. You are not required to cram anything. It is not a point to cram anything here. It is about knowing the concept. What am I supposed to do after which step? That is the most important thing. Because tomorrow you'll get a question in an exam and you'll not necessarily get the same figures here. The question will not be framed the same way. They might bring the same concept where there are various variances, which will automatically will be different variances, and the inflation and all this. The only thing is, once you've understood and the concept is on your fingertips, you will apply the same concept regardless of how the question is framed, and you'll be good. The examiner will always try to twist, but understanding that concept will always make your work very easy in any area. So I believe we move to the next question.